10 Coolest Doomsday Survival Gear and Gadgets Preppers Should Have. When it comes to preparing for the unexpected, having the right gear can make all the difference. Whether you're preparing for a natural disaster, power grid failure, or a complete societal breakdown, the right survival tools will ensure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Here's a look at 10 of the coolest Doomsday Survival Gear and Gadgets every prepper should have in their arsenal. Gorek Tactical Backpack. A solid survival plan starts with the right gear, and it all begins with a backpack. But not just any backpack, the Gorek Tactical Backpack. This is the ultimate prepper's bag, designed for durability and functionality in extreme situations. Made from military-grade materials, it's built to withstand the harshest environments, offering a high level of ruggedness that can handle whatever you throw at it. The Gorek Tactical Backpack comes equipped with a variety of compartments, allowing you to organize everything from first aid kits to food rations and water. But here's the kicker. Its sleek design and comfort make it perfect for everyday use too, so you won't look out of place carrying it to the office or on a hike. That said, it's not just about looks, it's about functionality. Goal Zero Solar-Powered Charger. In a world where power outages and grid failures are a real threat, staying connected is crucial. And what better way to power your devices than with the Goal Zero Solar-Powered Charger? This portable solar charger is the ultimate solution for keeping your gadgets powered up when there's no electricity around. Whether you need to recharge your phone, GPS, or even a small laptop, this charger uses solar energy to provide a reliable source of power in emergencies. Lightweight and compact, it's the perfect addition to your bug-out bag. However, while the Goal Zero charger is an incredible tool, its performance depends heavily on sunlight. So it's not the most effective tool during overcast days or in regions with limited sun exposure. Still, if you want a reliable, eco-friendly way to stay powered in a survival situation, this charger is a must-have. Sawyer Water Filtration System. Water is essential for survival, but finding clean drinking water during a disaster or in the wild can be difficult. The Sawyer Water Filtration System offers an ingenious solution for preppers looking to ensure access to safe, drinkable water in any scenario. This lightweight, compact system uses a filter that can purify up to 100,000 gallons of water, removing bacteria, protozoa, and other harmful contaminants. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness, stranded after a disaster, or trying to purify water from a local stream, this filter will make it safe to drink. Its ease of use, durability, and reliability have made it a go-to choice for survivalists everywhere. But as great as it is, the Sawyer filter does require you to have a water source nearby, and in certain extreme conditions, it may take more time to filter large quantities of water. Leatherman Multi-Tool Knife. When it comes to survival gear, versatility is key, and no piece of gear exemplifies versatility better than the Leatherman Multi-Tool Knife. This multi-tool is a game-changer, offering an array of essential tools, everything from pliers, screwdrivers and knives, to bottle openers, scissors and file. It's like having a mini toolbox right in your pocket. Whether you need to fix equipment, build shelter, or open a can of food, the Leatherman can handle it all. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, while its compact design means it won't take up too much space in your pack. The only downside? With so many tools packed into one device, it's not always the easiest to use each one, but with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it. Still, having this multi-tool by your side in any survival situation is invaluable. X-Attack Fire Starter Kit. Fire is a prepper's best friend. It provides warmth, the ability to cook food, and a way to signal for help. The X-Attack Fire Starter Kit is the ultimate tool for starting a fire in even the harshest conditions. Featuring a high-performance ferrocerium rod and a durable waterproof case, this kit allows you to start a fire in all kinds of weather, from pouring rain to strong winds. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so it won't take up much room in your survival gear. Whether you're stranded in the wilderness or dealing with a collapsed society, the ability to create fire on demand can make all the difference. But like all fire-starting tools, it requires a bit of technique to use properly, so make sure to practice before you're in a real emergency situation. Once you've mastered it, the X-Attack Fire Starter Kit will be an invaluable tool in your prepper arsenal. Saul Emergency Blanket. When disaster strikes, staying warm can be a matter of life or death, and that's where the Saul Emergency Blanket comes in. This compact and lightweight blanket reflects up to 90% of your body heat, making it an essential item in any survival situation. Its ability to retain body heat in extreme conditions, such as freezing temperatures or a damp environment, is unmatched. Plus, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, so you can easily carry it in your backpack or survival kit. While the Sol emergency blanket is incredibly effective, it's important to remember that it's a temporary solution. If you're caught in a long-term survival scenario, you'll need to find a more sustainable way to stay warm. But in an emergency, this blanket could literally be a lifesaver. Adventure Medical Kit's First Aid Kit. When things go wrong, injuries can happen fast, which is why having a comprehensive first aid kit is an absolute necessity. The Adventure Medical Kit's First Aid Kit is packed with everything you need to treat wounds, burns, sprains, or even more serious medical issues. Whether you're dealing with a minor cut or a more severe emergency, this kit has you covered with bandages, antiseptics, gauze, and even trauma shears. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, so it's easy to take on hikes, camping trips, or store in your emergency preparedness kit. However, while the Adventure Medical Kit's First Aid Kit is well stocked, it's important to familiarize yourself with its contents and know how to use each item properly. Taking a first aid course can help you get the most out of this kit when the stakes are high. Kato Hand Crank Radio. In the event of a power grid failure, staying informed can be incredibly difficult. That's where the Kato Hand Crank Radio comes in. This emergency radio allows you to listen to weather updates, news, and emergency broadcasts, even when there's no power available. It features a hand crank to generate power, so you can stay connected without worrying about batteries. Additionally, the Kato radio comes equipped with a flashlight and even a USB port for charging small devices, making it a multifunctional survival tool. The only thing to be aware of is that the hand crank requires a little effort, so it's not the most convenient option for extended use. Still, if you want to stay in the know when the world around you is falling apart, this radio is an absolute must-have. Mirror Safety Gas Mask. In the event of chemical, biological, or nuclear threats, a reliable gas mask is your first line of defense. The Mirror Safety Gas Mask is designed to protect your respiratory system from harmful particles, gases, and contaminants. Featuring a military-grade design and a durable, comfortable fit, this mask ensures you can breathe safely in the most hazardous environments. It comes equipped with replaceable filters that can protect against a variety of airborne threats, from smoke and pollutants to chemical agents. However, while the Mirror Safety Gas Mask offers excellent protection, it's essential to ensure you have access to fresh filters and know how to properly maintain and wear the mask. But for anyone serious about survival in extreme conditions, this gas mask is a crucial tool in your prepper kit. Nalgene Collapsible Water Bottle. Water is heavy, and carrying enough of it to stay hydrated in a survival situation can be a challenge. The Nalgene Collapsible Water Bottle solves that problem by offering a lightweight, space-saving solution that you can carry without adding unnecessary bulk to your pack. This water bottle collapses when empty, allowing you to save valuable space, and can hold up to 1 liter of liquid when needed. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's built to last and won't crack under pressure. However, while it's perfect for emergencies, keep in mind that it's not the best choice for long-term water storage. It's meant to be used for short-term hydration on the go. But when it comes to saving space and staying hydrated, the Nalgene Collapsible Water Bottle is a prepper's dream. Which one do you think is the most essential? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more survival tips and gear reviews. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you next time.